So we got some boxes from BTR, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of these because they are the new canted valve LS3 heads. So hang in with me. I don't know where my camera tripod is, so we're just gonna do this. First impressions, just of the packing. Nice boxes, like always. Just like their cams, they're packaged very nice and secure. We got the orb fittings. Those are the caps for the coolant jacket holes. Nice thick foam, just like their cam boxes if you've never seen their cam boxes. These are the CNC ported ones. You use LS1 style rockers since they're canted, you know, one shifted this way, one shifted that way. You don't need the LS3 offset rockers anymore. And these are from BTR, they're BTR's port design. I believe GPI has their own port design on the LS3 head. Here's a stock LS3 head for you. You can see the deck and stuff, the difference. It's a lot thicker of a head. Of course, 6-bolt heads, but remember, you can use 6-bolt heads on a 4-bolt block. It's not an issue. A lot nicer chambers. These have smaller chambers than these do untouched. So these are going to have a little higher compression without even doing any milling or anything. So these ones, the pedestals are already here for the head. These ones you have to run like the rocker pedestal mounts. Then of course you have to run the offset rockers for the LS3 heads. Overall, out of the box impressions, they seem very nice. If I'm red and sweating, it's because it's probably 115 degrees in here. It's hot and humid out today, and I'm poor. I don't have AC in this garage, so yeah. But I already have a customer car. It's a cam headers Corvette. It doesn't even have an intake, no intake manifold, so stock intake manifold. But we're gonna take his car. The only change is gonna be heads. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna pull stock heads off, throw these BTR heads on, get everything buttoned up, throw it back on the dyno. I'll even do a pull, no tune changes, see what it does, just straight heads, not even touching the tune. Still gonna have the stock intake on it, stock intake manifold. We're not changing any of that because I wanna see what just the heads gain on the car. That car, we don't even know what cam it has in it. It's an unknown cam, he bought it already cammed. It doesn't seem anything crazy. It doesn't like a lot of RPM. It doesn't make crazy power for what it is, so it's not anything crazy. But what I will do, anyone who wants a set of these heads, if you buy the heads from me, we'll do a deal on the labor. but I want to know what cams in your car. So if I already tune your car, if I don't tune your car, I'll give you a solid deal on these heads installed and tuned, just because I want to see the data of them. So if you have an LS3 car, LS1 car, LS2 car, it doesn't matter. I want to know what cam is in your car. You need to know for sure. And then we're only going to change the heads, and we're going to tune the car. But we'll do dyno pulls before and after. We'll give you a solid deal on the discount. But you just have to buy the heads from me, obviously. Buy the gaskets and stuff and pay for the labor. But the labor will probably be like 50% off on the first couple cars that get these, just so we can see the data. I'd really like to see something with like a BTR stage 3, stage 4 cam, a GPI SS3, SS4, any blower cars, CTSVs, Z01s, cars with the LSA, cars with Sentry blowers. I kind of just want to see what these do on all sorts of combos. So probably like the first 3 cars I install these on, I will give you a serious deal on tuning and labor if you buy the heads and parts from me. Like all my business stuff will be tagged below. And then we'll do YouTube videos on every single car. So if you're one of these grudge cars, you can't see my numbers because I make 400 horsepower, I'm not going to do it for you because I can't publish the data. But if you're willing to actually let us do the work, publish the data before and after, show your car online, then I'll give you a deal. Also, I have these heads in stock ready to ship. Shipping is free as long as you're in the continental United States, so the lower 48. So if you want a set of BTR heads, get with me. This is just the first shipment I got in. I've already shipped a few out. I already have some LS1 or Cathedral port heads going out to people. I already have some LS3 heads sold. And I already have someone that's locked in to get their heads installed, like I said. So hit me up if you want a set of these heads. Free shipping. I'll give you a discount on tuning. If I don't tune your car, if I do tune your car, it's a free retune for the heads. Actually, that's any parts you buy from me. If I tune your car and you buy any parts from me that require retuning, the retune's free. I don't see the point on charging you to retune your car when I'm already selling you the parts, but I've already been paid to tune your car. If I don't tune your car and you buy parts from me, I'll give you a discount on the tune because this stuff's expensive and it's only getting more expensive. So I try to help out where I can. I don't try to sell parts if I don't need to. So if you don't actually need a part, I'm not going to tell you to buy a part. For example, if you want to supercharge your car, I'm not going to tell you to buy a bunch of stuff that only works all motor. If you're going to supercharge your car, I'm going to let you know it's pointless to spend that money and to save your money to put it on the supercharger later down the road. But like I said, my contact information will be down below, my social medias. If you want these heads, I have them in stock, ready to ship. I can ship them same day or next day at the latest. Cathedral port and LS3 port is available. I'll also pair it with cams, whatever you need. Just hit me up.